Hello and welcome to my channel. We have a delicious vegan spring roll recipe for you. The dipping sauce is a hoisin sesame paste ginger dipping sauce. This tofu is stir fry in a soy sesame Korean inspired sauce. We are very excited that you are here. So let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is make the dipping sauce.
The spring roll, for the tofu spring roll, I have chopped shallots. Putting in about 1 tablespoon. I have sliced ginger. I want the dipping sauce to infuse with the same seasoning that I am using for the tofu. So I'm using shallots and ginger. Oh, that smells really good. The aroma of shallots and ginger, delicious. Down. For the hoisin, I am using a 1/3 cup of the hoisin sauce. Just pour that in. And then I'm adding in the same amount of water. Just let that to boil up here. I'm adding in about a teaspoon of the honey. I want the sauce to be sweet. And then 1 spoon of the sesame paste here. That's probably about 1 tablespoon. Because I like to go down, get that down easily here. And then 1 tablespoon of the Korean paste. So I'm just gonna saute this up. So this is how I slice the mango. I use the peeler, just take off the skin. And then just cut it roughly, chop. Slices, julienne in the same size or a little bit bigger than the carrots. Put that in the bowl. So I'm just going to continue to do this here. Stack these guys up. The mangoes are done. Perfect.
Next, stir fry the carrots. Lightly oil the pan and toss in the julienne carrots. Toss for 2 minutes and season lightly with just salt and pepper. Transfer the cooked carrots into a bowl and let it cool. Next, make the marinated sauce for the tofu. I'm using 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of the Korean chili paste, 1 tablespoon of sesame paste, 1 tablespoon of honey. I also add in a drizzle of sesame oil, half of a tablespoon of water and mix well. Adjust the marinated sauce to your taste.
To cook the tofu, put some oil in there. And for the tofu, I slice it in, try to slice it as thinly as I can, so that way I can roll it. But before I add in the tofu, I'm going to add shallots, some of the sliced shallots, and then ginger. So that's probably one shallot, one small shallot, and about a tablespoon of the sliced ginger. Get the aroma of the shallots and the ginger to brown up and infuse the pan with flavor before I add in the tofu. The tofu doesn't have any taste, but if you add in a delicious sauce and add in some shallots and ginger, it's gonna make the tofu pop in the spring roll. Once the shallot is browned, add in the tofu. So with the tofu, you can deep fry that at home. Buy that large chunks of white tofu, extract all the water, and deep fry it and then cut it out. The other option, if you live close to a Vietnamese grocery store, you can go buy the tofu that's already fried, and that's what I did. I'm going to be using this. I'm going to make a lemongrass tofu for my family to eat with rice. My son doesn't like to eat spring rolls, so I'll cook that for him. But for this, I am going to add that marinated sauce that I just made earlier into the tofu here. While I'm talking, I didn't mix this very well, so it's getting burned toward the end there. Mix that all up, and then just add that in. Got that all over my shirt there.
So this is our stir-fried tofu. It's delicious. Very sweet and salty and gingery and oniony. Very tasty. Too bad you can't smell through the screen here. These are the bamboo shoots. I got this at an Asian grocery store. You can find this in most of the regular store in the Asian aisle. You probably have to buy it from a can, but these are fresh. I found it in the produce department at a Vietnamese grocery store. And I'm gonna stir fry the same way that I have done with the carrots, salt and pepper, but I'm gonna saute up some crushed ginger and shallots first and get that going. The bamboo shoots here. I just add in so far salt and pepper, the bamboo of course, saute the garlic and ginger, get that to cook first before I add in the bamboo shoots. So that looks like it's pretty much done. I'm just gonna let that cool and then add it into my platter that I have going here of the carrots, the stir-fried carrots, mango, sliced mango,
and the cooked tofu, cooked marinated tofu with soy sauce, honey, Korean chili paste, and sesame paste. Very excited about this dish here, this vegetable spring roll. So I have all my fillings are ready to go. For the greens, I am using this spring mix green along with the Vietnamese herbs. This is the rice paper brand that I will be using. I love these, this guy. I go through 2 of this jumbo guy a week. The baby spring mix. It's just come right out of a container and into my rice roll without me having to wash or storage. So it's great. I love it. So I want to wet the rice paper, dip it into the water. Add in my spring mix here. On top with carrots, bamboo shoots, add in my mango. I'm gonna add in my tofu. I want to use chopstick because the tofu is kind of sticky. It has all kinds of marinated sauce in there, so don't want to touch that with my hand. And then I'm going to top that with herbs, with my Vietnamese herb. And then fold in the end, secure that tight. Fold in the side, and then I want to press it, firmly press it down and roll it really tight. So this is my tofu spring roll, so I'm just going to keep on going. Try to taster
spring roll. Tofu mango spring roll.
Super tasty.
How's the dipping sauce?
Dipping sauce is super good too. There's a nice kick in there. And the mango really stands out. Being really like a very sweet punch.
Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And if you like the video, be sure to hit the thumb up icon. Also, be sure to share this video with all your friends who might benefit from this video. Thanks again. Bye.